очень много, особенно в сравнении с нулем, твердым причем. И Холланд устремляется на мели. И Холланд, и 26-й Морес линят.
Aronson through the legs of Rodri.
They did the hard bit.
Three times at Spurs, only to succumb very late on. Haaland, lovely! Gundogan!
Brilliant. Just couldn't get it out of his feet at the end.
That'll give away by Akanji. Here's Leonto. Lewis. It's Greenwood. Haaland. Grealish. Haaland again. Two for him. Three for Manchester City.
It's just pure class, that. The way that...
Leonto. De Bruyne. It's that mark. Span is 40. De Bruyne. Taken by Greenwood. And the header was a good one. Really clean. Pascal Struijk having a... Greenwood and the referee's going to bring it back. It seemed very unlikely even 6-7 minutes ago. Lovely ball. Haaland. Aronson. As it seemed it was going to be for Manchester City. Leeds. There's Newcastle on New Year's Eve. Then they play well. It's 2 minutes, 6 minutes into the second half. It is Greenwood. Bruyne.